It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Stefflon, with a music video called Dilemma, with featuring Sidhu, GuiltyBeatz, and Banglez. The official music video. So we're gonna jump in on one and hear what Steph and the crew have to say. You see me? Sidhu, GuiltyBeatz, and Banglez. Let's jump into this one and hear it. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go again!
Where is it? India? This location, Punjab, India. I was right. Goat Vision production team. Say, Batty, big do me like it.
You don't want this dilemma. Run up in anybody face with the shutter. My dogs them ready for the coldest winter. When I take that, but you can meet my gun. You can meet my gun. You don't want this dilemma. Run up in anybody face with the shutter. My dogs them ready for the coldest winter. When I take that, but you can meet my gun. You can meet my condo. And when we pull up and done, walk with the key with the extension.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go again!
Indian badness. That is where Steph at right now. She's in Punjab, India, with the badness representing the Jamaica flag is flying high out there. We like it. Big up the Indians them too. We like it. What a collab. Let's go. Big up my Indian friend them. Big up my Indian bros them.
Stefflon.
Like the jacket. See the jacket? I feel something on the jacket.
You don't want this dilemma. Run up in anybody face with the shutter. My dogs them ready for the coldest winter. When I take that, but you can meet my gun. You can meet my gun.
Yo, can we take a minute to recognize what Steph is doing right here? Can we take a minute to just big up Steph for a second right here? You want to see what Steph do a while ago? Look what Steph do. Look at this. Look at this. Which flag is this?
You don't want this dilemma. Run up in anybody face with the shutter. My dogs them ready for the coldest winter.
Which flag is this? This is Jamaica flag in India, Punjab. I fly high next to the Indian flag. Who is doing that? Steph a rep for Jamaica. What I say?
Run up in anybody face with the
Big up, Steph.
My dogs them ready for the coldest winter. When I take that, but you can meet my gun. You can meet my gun. You don't want this dilemma. Run up in anybody face with the shutter. My dogs them ready for the coldest winter. When I take that, but you can meet my gun. You can meet my condo. And when we pull up and done, walk with the key with the extension.
Oh, buckler, bad girl thing. Don't run. When we pull up and done, walk with the K with the extension. The K belly big. Fat Joe.
My condo, and when we pull up and done, walk with the key with the extension. Don't try this, you will get caught up. In a the copper field, we will make your body fat up.
Don't try this, you will get clot up. In the copper field, we will make your body frat up. It's a frat up, there's about a frat up. She means frat up. When you're from frat, your body go off. You know what I mean? Minds!
Don't try this, you will get caught up. In a the copper field, we will make your body fat up. Gangsta tell me where them a do my vado.
Gangsta tell me where them a... Minds! Pick up my vado.
We will make your body fat up. Gangsta tell me where them a do my vado.
Youngster, tell me where them a do, Movado. Youngster, tell me where them a do, Movado. Where them a do, where them a try, my room we fly, Binds. Pick up Steph.
Don't walk with the key with the
Extension.
Don't try this, you will
get caught up.
Inna the Copperfield, we will make your body
Frat up.
Gangsta tell me where them a do my vado. This a no game, this a no fisado. Make a girl sing like them in Levato. Real badness, them we step on. If you live life, dance if you dance, if you enjoy. You a watch me live my life. Shake it up, body where you have, if you wake it up. No make me. Don't make she get charged up. Don't make she get bad. Don't make she get bringle. Better you just go and do the right thing and live your little life, you know. You don't want none of this badness. That is what Steph is. Steph, they are India, brother. If you live life, dance
international.
If you enjoy, you a watch me live my life. Shake it up, body where you have, if you wake it up. No make me get charged up. I go chop in a the Welsh Fargo. Y'all get fucked when they bend spark up. Start up, we no laugh up. I know everybody you see you fit up. You don't want this die lemon.
Can we just
Pull up.
take a moment of silence?
Pull up. Let it go. Let it go again.
Jeez! Can we just relax for a minute? Binds, can we just relax for a minute? We could just relax for a minute.
Stefflon die.
C'est parti. Like it.
You don't want this die lemon. Run up in anybody face with the shutter. My dogs them ready for the coldest winter. When I take that, but you can meet my gun, you can meet my gun. You don't want this die lemon. Run up in anybody face with the shutter. My dogs them ready for the coldest winter. When I take that, but you can meet my gun, you can meet my condo. And when we pull up and done, walk with the key with the extension. Don't try this, you will get caught up. Inna the Copperfield, we will make your body fat up. Gangsta tell me where them a do my vado. This a no game, this a no fisado. Make a girl sing like them in Levato. Real badness, them we step on. If you live life, dance if you enjoy. You a watch me live my life. Shake it up, body where you have, if you wake it up. No make me get charged up. I go chop in a the Welsh Fargo. Y'all get fucked when they bend spark up. Start up, we no laugh up. I know everybody you see you fit up. You don't want this die lemon. Run up in anybody face with the shutter.
Long
The
gun.
dogs them ready for the coldest winter. We no take that, but you can meet my gun, you can meet my. You don't want this die lemon. Run up in anybody face with the shutter. The dogs them ready for the coldest winter. We no take that, but you can meet my gun, you can meet my.
UK ਵਾਲੀ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੇ ਤੂੰ ਸਲੈਂਗ ਚ ਸਾਊਥ ਹਾਲ ਘੁੰਮਦੀਆਂ ਨੱਡੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਗੈਂਗ ਚ
Hold on, man. Hold on a minute, man. Is this Sidhu Moose Walla? Hold on a
For
minute.
the coldest winter. We no take that, but you can meet my gun, you can meet my.
UK ਵਾਲੀ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੇ ਤੂੰ ਸਲੈਂਗ ਚ ਸਾਊਥ ਹਾਲ ਘੁੰਮਦੀਆਂ ਨੱਡੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਗੈਂਗ
South
ਚ
Streets, girl,
ਬੇਲ
gang.
ਮੁੰਡਾ ਵੈਪਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੇਸ ਚੋਂ
Yeah.
ਬੌਸ ਫੇਸ ਕਿਲਾ ਜੋ ਮੈਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬੂਟ ਟੈਂਕ ਚ ਬਾਈ ਚਾਰੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਜਨਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰਾ ਕਰੂ ਤੇਰੇ ਹਰ ਅਸਲੇ ਦੇ ਖਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਕਰੂ ਸੈਮੀ ਆਟੋ ਰੱਖੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਮਿੱਠੀ ਏ ਸਟੈਪ ਕੀ ਆ ਲੰਡਨ ਚ ਚੱਲ ਤੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੋਟ ਦੇ
Ease, minds. Listen, don't think you know that I know that I don't know what he's saying. I do know what he's saying. It's on the screen. If you read, you will see what the GS say. Look what the GS say. Just look.
UK ਵਾਲੀ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੇ ਤੂੰ ਸਲੈਂਗ ਚ
Yeah.
ਸਾਊਥ ਹਾਲ ਘੁੰਮਦੀਆਂ ਨੱਡੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਗੈਂਗ ਚ
Yeah.
ਫੈਸ਼ ਆਊਟ ਬੇਲ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਵੈਪਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੇਸ ਚੋਂ ਬੌਸ ਫੇਸ ਕਿਲਾ ਜੋ ਮੈਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬੂਟ ਟੈਂਕ ਚ
Ghostface killer, the boss them lethal, the boss them ruthless tonight. Hey!
UK ਵਾਲੀ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੇ ਤੂੰ ਸਲੈਂਗ ਚ
Yeah.
ਸਾਊਥ ਹਾਲ ਘੁੰਮਦੀਆਂ ਨੱਡੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਗੈਂਗ ਚ ਫੈਸ਼ ਆਊਟ ਬੇਲ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਵੈਪਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੇਸ ਚੋਂ
Fresh out on bail from a gun charge, brother. The G them out here so have it. And I don't know virgin chicken finger, them have it. And them a knock it. Fresh out on bail for a gun charge, brother.
ਚ ਸਾਊਥ ਹਾਲ ਘੁੰਮਦੀਆਂ ਨੱਡੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਗੈਂਗ ਚ ਫੈਸ਼ ਆਊਟ ਬੇਲ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਵੈਪਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੇਸ ਚੋਂ ਬੌਸ ਫੇਸ ਕਿਲਾ ਜੋ ਮੈਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬੂਟ ਟੈਂਕ ਚ ਬਾਈ ਚਾਰੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਜਨਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰਾ
A man say everywhere him go, people show him respect. Big up all my Punjab friend, them man. Come on, man.
ਬੌਸ ਫੇਸ ਕਿਲਾ ਜੋ ਮੈਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬੂਟ ਟੈਂਕ ਚ ਬਾਈ ਚਾਰੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਜਨਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰਾ ਕਰੂ ਤੇਰੇ ਹਰ ਅਸਲੇ ਦੇ ਖਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਕਰੂ ਸੈਮੀ ਆਟੋ ਰੱਖੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਮਿੱਠੀ ਏ ਸਟੈਪ ਕੀ ਆ ਲੰਡਨ ਚ ਚੱਲ ਤੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੋਟ ਦੇਖੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਕੋਟ ਚ ਯਕੀਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਡੇਟਾਂ ਚ 24 ਘੰਟੇ 100 ਬੰਦਾ ਖੜਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਗੇਟਾਂ ਚ ਰੱਖੂਗਾ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਰਾਣੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਜੱਟੀ ਏ ਬਿਰਲੀ ਦੀ ਪਾਈ ਆ ਹਵੇਲੀ ਆ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਚ ਭੁੱਲ ਜੇਗੀ ਕਾਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੱਢਣਾ ਟਿਆਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਛੱਡ ਹੱਥ ਯਾਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ
Them say I see him check that.
ਹਵੇਲੀ ਆ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਚ ਭੁੱਲ ਜੇਗੀ
You forget about your cards once you see my chapter.
You
don't want this die lemon. Run up in anybody face with the shutter. Them ready for the coolest winter. We not take that, but you can meet my gun. You can meet my. You don't want this die lemon. Run up in anybody face with the shutter. The dogs them ready for the coolest winter. We not take that, but you can meet my gun. You can meet my. My thing set good. My name just a pop off. If y'all want war, make the whole dance lock off. Wicked women.
Can we take a moment? Can we take a moment to look at Steph in the moment right here? Can we take a moment to look at Steph in the moment right here? Like, girl, come on, girl. Come on, girl.
Set good. My name just a pop off. If y'all want war, make the whole dance lock off. Wicked women step. If I chain it, I broke off. Wig on your head, it'll come off. Finger on the trigger, it no itch when it busts. You no safe when the whole of the dog them touch. When rival a stop it, never get stuck. Why oh why would you play with it? Looking like a snap, yeah baby. I don't wanna start no crazy. I just wanna whine on my baby, but them pagans on me, on me. You don't want this die lemon. Run up in anybody face with the shutter. My dogs them ready for the coolest winter. We not take that, but you can meet my gun. You can meet my. You don't want this die lemon. Run up in anybody face with the shutter. My dogs them ready for the coolest winter. We not take that, but you can meet my gun. You can meet my. Stefflon
Bomboclad Bainza! What else I come? Else I come after this? No, like that. Yo, we got a production team. In love and memory of Sidhu Musa. Oh, this person passed. Sidhu Musa. Hold on, man. Let me Google who is this. Is this the same? That's not the same guy in the video, right? No, it can't be. Sorry, guys. I'm doing my research right now in front of you. Are you passed away? The guy that's singing, him passed away? Oh, you asked it to me. So this video was shot before he passed then. Hold on there, man. Hold on there, guys. I'm doing a research because this is all new to me. And let me see if him dead. What did he die of? He was shot by unidentified assailant on the 29th of May, 2022. A Canada-based gangster named as GuiltyBeatz. Oh, what? So he was shot and killed. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, this makes sense now. Bro. This is crazy. This is crazy. Steph. Oh, man. Steph. And Gurjot Singh. Who's that now? Who's that? Sorry, guys. I don't know. If I don't know, I'm gonna look. That is what Google is there for, right? Right? In dead too. Oh my God, guys. Steph, big up yourself. R.I.P. to Sidhu and Gurjot. Big up. R.I.P. Rest easy. Steph, you made Jamaica proud in this one. I like it. I'm gonna leave this one right here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I gotta go. All right, peace.